Today for Tiny Clips, we are going to see how to delete Windows Update temporary files after successful Windows update. For this, we are going to use Disk Cleanup utility. To open the Disk Cleanup utility, go to Start menu, Windows System, then click Control Panel. In Control Panel, go to Administrative Tools, then you will find Disk Cleanup. There is another method. Go to Start menu, Windows System, then click Run. In the Run window, type clean mgr and then click OK. Now you will see the Disk Cleanup utility on your screen. In the Disk Cleanup utility, go to Cleanup System Files and you will see the full list of files which needs to be cleaned up, which includes Windows Update Cleanup files, Windows Defender Antivirus file, Windows Update log files also. So these are the three major things that we have to delete which created by recent Windows update. This is the free space available in the C drive. After the cleanup, we will come back and check. So select those three and click OK. This process will take some time. Once it is finished, we'll see. Now you can see the free up process clean up more disk space in the C drive. Thank you for watching.